we are going to continue and close in here. Well, in this case I will need to close the menu item and the article that I just created. Going back to extensions module manager, and in here we are going to use a new custom HTML module. Let's go in there. Now below this video you are going to be able to find the candy right button and the candy right top, because we are going to be using these images on the custom HTML module. The title in this case will be your personalized GIF. In this case, your personalized GIF. I believe that will be the right spelling. Then the position to the right. Let me go down. Let's click on the image and click on browse. Then make a selection on the candy right top. Click open. Start upload. The next image. Click on browse and candy right button. Start upload. First we are going to use the candy top right there, copy and paste and insert. Then we are going to insert the next image in here, this one in here, candy button in there, copy and Control V. In here we are going to be styling all these with the HTML markup that we already know. First of all, we are going to copy just this paragraph in here so we can have the text, Control V, then the P element and the final P tag right there. Then paste, we are just going to copy, Control C and Control V, the initial P tag, and there you are. Let's go ahead and we are going to save this module. Going back and click refresh. There you are. The next step, we are going to click on F12 and we are going to go to the right column, as you can see in here. If you notice, we are going to have this H3 element. We are going to be eliminating the border, as you can see from the bottom. And let me see the color. We are going to be eliminating the color too. So let's go ahead, copy the selectors, going back and Control F, then Control V, find next. There you are. And we are going to eliminate the border button and the color. And next we are going to be applying, let me see, this will be on line 469. So we are going to go back and copy this font family 469 and paste it in here, right here. Control V and save everything so we can re-upload. Click OK and refresh. There you are. Now the problem in here, well, it will be a small problem. You can either decrease the size from this H1 element in here. We can use, let me see, in here we are going to use font size 2.6, 2.5, yes, 2.5. I mean, you can play around if you want, it will be your decision. But in this case I am just going to change everything. Let me go back and inside the H1 element 2.5, Control S, and again right click, upload, click OK, and let me see, we are going to increase the size in here. Let me see what size will be good in here. We are going to font size 120%, 180, 190, probably 200. And yes, I believe Let me check the image in here. We are going to go to 20, 1, 2, 1, 0. Yes, that will be a good size. So we are going to go back and find the, let me see, main content. Well, Control F, find next. In here, font size to 20%, semicolon. And if you scroll up a little bit, you are going to be able to see this image that we use this property. All these properties, we use these properties on the image. And if we apply, we are just going to copy all this. Let me show you what I am going to do. Then I am going to eliminate the class, and in this case I am going to be using the right column ID. Going back and paste it in here. The only thing that I am going to be changing in here will be this float left. Copy everything and paste it in here. Then eliminate everything but the float left, because I am going to be eliminating in here. So in this case we are going to be applying these properties to all these selectors, and then we are going to be applying the float left property to only the image with the class image shadow. Control S and right click upload, click OK and refresh. There you are. Let me in here, click F12, and on the H3 we are going to be eliminating the padding button, okay, because we want to have the image closer to the H3 element. Eliminate the padding button. Going back, Control S to save, going back, and we are going to decrease, let me check, division, the P, and in here we can decrease if we want the text in here, okay? Let me show you what I am going to do. If we copy this one in here, and then if we paste it in here, I am just going to paste it in here. Then instead of the image element, I am going to be using the P element, and let me use the font size, and we are going to use 100%. Let me going back, right click and upload, click OK and refresh. There you are. You can either use that size, or let me click F12, because if you want you can increase the size 120, 150, that will be too much, 130, probably 120 will be fine, 120, and as you can see we have accomplished these steps. Click OK, refresh, and there you have it, my friends. Now the next step that we are going to be completing inside these videos will be all the footer section. We are going to be creating this module and all these three modules below together with the footer all the way to the bottom. So let's go ahead and move on to those videos.